Hey everybody, today I'm going to be testing out some shampoo and conditioner that I bought from Target. It was actually clearanced out last night, but I wanted to try it out on my hair since I have some beeswax in it and it's really thick and it's got my hair really feeling really greasy. So this is the shampoo and the conditioner that I'm talking about. It's got some type of charcoal in it and it was clearanced out. Both were actually clearanced out. Let's see how this goes. Let's see if it worked, y'all. And this is going to be the only product that I'm using. So far, so good. Man, look at those curls, y'all. Them just is popping. It might look like I got too much in there, but for me, I like a lot of products in my hair. Because my hair is thick and I need some good products to help, kind of help manage and moisturize my hair. I was going for a low ponytail, but nah. And I do have short pieces of my hair in the front. My hair is actually a little shorter in the front because I had a sew in and I ended up cutting it out wrong and I cut some of my hair. So I don't know if y'all noticed in a few of my videos I have a few little pieces sticking up, so I have to add more product there. Yeah, this stuff feels super good. It's, really, it feels really good on my hair. I don't have any complaints. It's got my curls popping. My hair looks super healthy. See, look at that. My edge is snatched. See how my waves making me look like I got waves. Yeah, look at that. Alright, y'all, this is going to conclude my video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.